Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Apple CarPlay not working issue on iPhone. So guys, there are several things you can try to fix the iPhone CarPlay not working issue. So guys, first of all, check your iPhone and car compatibility. Make sure your iPhone and the car are compatible with CarPlay. You can check the Apple website to see if your car model is compatible. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So for this, go to settings, go to general, go to software update here, so and check for update. So I have the latest update here, so update your iPhone and then go back. And then after this, the next solution is update your car firmware. If your car supports firmware updates, make sure it is running the latest version. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone and car. Try restarting both your iPhone and car to see if that resolve the issue. So for the restore iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right. So open the lock screen. So guys, after restarting your car and your iPhone, after this, the next solution is reset your iPhone's network settings. So for this, go to settings, go to general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings. So guys, enter your passcode. So guys, after resetting your network settings, the next solution is check your CarPlay settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, go to general, go to CarPlay to make sure CarPlay is enabled and your car is listed as spotted vehicle. So after this, the next solution is use a different USB cable. If you are using a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your car, try using a different cable to see if that resolves the issue. So guys, if none of the above steps works, contact Apple support for further assistance. Note that some car manufacturers may have specific instructions for setting up and troubleshooting CarPlay, so you may also want to consult your car's manual or contact the manufacturer for additional support. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.